Welcome back. In this section, we'll learn more about widgets in Android Studio. And in this video, we'll learn about checkboxes. A checkbox is a UI widget that allows users to toggle between two states, checked and unchecked. It's commonly used when you want users to make a binary choice, such as selecting or deselecting an option. A checkbox can be displayed alongside a label or text to indicate the meaning of the choice. Let's go to the main activity, and I'll start with checkbox tag. Click enter, and you can see I need to specify the width and the height. Match parent for the width and the height wrap content. ID checkbox, and alongside you can specify the text to provide context for the user. For example, the text attribute, I'll use pizza, for example, and you can see that it appears here. Also, you can specify more attributes. For example, the text size 32 sp. Again, specify for this text. Okay, I'll keep it 24 sp, which is good. Close the tag and add the constraints for this checkbox. Let's move to the main activity. .java, initialize this widget. I'll start with a checkbox, and in the onCreate method, I need to initialize it. Checkbox equal to find view by ID r.id.checkbox. You can listen for changes in the checked state using the unchecked change listener. So checkbox.set unchecked change listener new, and unchecked change method is override. If is checked, because this is the boolean that we passed in the unchecked changed method. Is checked is the boolean that tells us that it is checked or not. So if it is true, equal to true, can use like this to provide that it is always true. If it's checked, we need to place the code to execute when the checkbox is checked. I'll use toast, telling us that the checkbox is checked. Otherwise, if it is not checked, what we need to make, I need to make a toast message is not checked. So to handle that click event on the checkbox, we need to implement the set unchecked change listener and to override unchecked changed method and use the is checked parameter which indicates if it is checked or not. Let's run. And this is our checkbox. Let's toggle the checkbox. Click on it. You can see that this toast message appeared. If I uncheck, you can see the toast message is not checked appear. So toggling the checkbox will trigger the unchecked change method and execute the specified actions.